This is unit 2605, and this is a loft type unit. So upon entering the unit, we have the kitchen on the left side, the dining area, then living area, and then that's a storage area. No, down the stairs. So the stairs going up to the loft. So there is the bedroom there sa loft. Sana all naka-loft, beef loft. Okay. So this is going dako gid siya. So there's own bathroom ang kuan. Nice. This is the kuan bathroom area with shower and then water closet, of course. Na mga lavatory. So this is the view down from the loft to sa living area sa unit. And then ang iyang view is the Fuente Circle, no?
Yes, sir.
That's the Fuente Circle. Oh. Let's go down and see. So this is the view from the unit, guys. This is facing mountain sa Cebu. That's Ayala area. Ayala Business Park. Sakto ba? Oh, Ayala Business Park, di ba?
Ayala, over there is IT Park.
IT Park at the back of Ayala Business Park. So, kana sa ubos is the Fuente Circle, the very famous landmark, the BDO Tower. Katong Vicente Soto dito, no? Dapit. So, kana siya Fuente Circle, so going Capitol dito, na Capitol dito. Sa ubos is Robinsons, kana Robinsons. So, Mango na tado dito nga area. There's the National Bookstore, Caltex, Burger King. Mga bar sa Mango, of course. Redemptorist to, no? Nakita mo diyan. Mountain ang view diri, guys. So, the sunset is there. Unsa oras around mga 2 PM, no?
3?
3 na. Dito sunset west side.